The Schedule Stats report allows you to analyse booking activity, review service performance, and gain valuable insight into your business. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. To access the report, go to Reports and select Schedule Stats Report. This report includes 3 different reporting options, allowing you to analyse your business data in different ways. You can choose between a report based on scheduled services, a breakdown of services by client area, or a breakdown of clients by referral source. First, select the date range you want to review. You can use the Jump To buttons to go straight to common reporting periods like today, this week, or this month. Or enter a custom date range. Then click Reload to generate the report. The first option is analysing your scheduled services during the selected time frame. The report displays your services by service group with columns showing the total quantity and value of services in your schedule, making it easy to see which services are most frequently booked. Handy hint: you can review the list of your service items and service groups under Admin and Services, and these are what will be displayed in the Schedule Stats report if you have scheduled any of these services within your selected date range. The report also includes any cancelled services, so bear this in mind when looking at the total number of services included versus the revenue amount. Clicking on each group drills down to show the number of service items within that group that have been booked over the selected date range. This data can help you review booking volumes, compare service popularity, and identify trends across your business. Top tip: before using the referral source or area reports, it's important to make sure your client admin settings are configured correctly. To update this information, go to the client account. Then select Client Admin and Settings, and select the relevant client area or referral source. If the options you want to choose are not there, for example, a different area or postal code, or a referral source such as vets, then these can be updated by navigating to Admin, Supporting Data, and Areas. Simply create a new area and click Create Area to save. Next, select Referral Sources to create a new one, and click Create to save. When you return to the client admin settings, your new option will now be there for you to select. Important: the report will only return meaningful data if client areas and referral sources have been properly set up and assigned within your client records. Back in the Schedule Stats report, the second option is viewing your clients by referral source to see how clients found your business over your selected date range. Referral source reporting can help you understand which marketing activities or recommendations have generated the most revenue. This is a valuable tool for reviewing advertising effectiveness and tracking business growth opportunities. The third option is viewing your scheduled services by the areas your clients live in over the date range you chose to view. This can help you identify where demand is highest and support decisions around staffing, route planning, and future growth. Reviewing services by area is especially useful for businesses managing multiple territories or service zones. And there we are. Whether you're reviewing service demand, analysing activity by area, or tracking where your clients are coming from, the Schedule Stats report provides valuable insight into your business performance. You can rerun the report at any time using different date ranges and report types to compare trends and monitor growth over time. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below, or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.